So, my parakeet just laid an egg. But here's the thing, it's not fertilized, and she's got no partner. That means it's a dummy egg situation waiting to happen. So I did what any DIY loving bird parent would do. I went to the dollar store and grabbed some air dry clay. Yes, paper clay, 100 yen. And I made my own fake egg. It looks pretty real. Close enough that even she can't tell the difference. But why make a fake egg in the first place? Here's why. When birds lay unfertilized eggs, they can keep laying, over and over, thinking they need more. It's exhausting for them. And if they lay too many, it can actually harm their health. Calcium loss, egg binding, even hormonal stress, all of that is real. So by giving her a few dummy eggs, I'm tricking her brain into thinking, yup, the clutch is full. No need to lay more. It's like nature's off switch. She sits on them for a while, gets over her nesting instincts, and eventually, she moves on. It's also easier for me to manage. Real eggs can spoil, break, or cause problems. Fake ones? No stress. They're reusable, safe, and simple. If your bird has started laying, and you're not planning to breed, make a dummy egg or two. It might just save her a lot of stress, and save you a vet visit. You can buy fake eggs online, but making your own? Cheap, fun, and kind of satisfying. Plus, your bird will never know. Just be sure the size and shape are close. Smooth the surface, dry it well, and don't forget to label it, because one day, you will forget which is fake. Anyway, that's my quick bird hack from a dollar store and a little love. Hope it helps you and your feathered friend.